Good morning, children. Welcome to you in your science class. So, children, as we know that we have completed our unit first, plant life. This is your unit first, plant life, and there are two chapters in this unit: types of plant and useful plants. Okay, and we have already studied about these chapters before, but today once again I will explain these chapters in short. Okay, and then I will explain the exercise work. So this is our chapter first, types of plant. So children, according the size and shapes, the plants are divided into five main types. Okay, plants जो है according their shapes and size क्या है, डिफरेंट 5 टाइप्स के होते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर द ट्रीज, shrubs, herb, climber and creeper. Some main types of plants are trees, shrubs, herb, climber and creeper. So what are trees? Trees are the tall and big plants. Okay, and these have one main hard, woody, thick and strong stem. क्या होते हैं ट्रीज के? वन मेन हार्ड, वुडी, स्ट्रॉन्ग, ओके, एंड थिक स्टम विच इज कॉल्ड ट्रंक. ओके, stems of trees are called the trunk, and these are most of trees are long living plants. कैसे होते हैं ट्रीज? ट्रीज आर लॉन्ग लिविंग प्लांट्स. ओके, दे लिव्स many years. Okay, some of trees lives hundreds of years. Okay, so most of trees are the long living plants. So the examples of trees, there are so many trees like apple, mango, banana, coconut, okay, neem tree, लीची. जितनी भी आपके सराउंडिंग्स में ट्रीज़ है, द ऑल आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ट्रीज़. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज shrubs. shrubs क्या हैं? shrubs आर स्मॉल एंड bushy plants and also they are thorny types plants. कैसे होते हैं shrubs? most of shrubs are small, bushy and thorny types plants. Okay, and they have also one main but not as thick as trees, but hard and strong and woody stem. shrubs के जो stems होते हैं ये भी कैसे होते हैं? hard, woody and strong stems, but these are not as thick as trees. okay, ट्रीज़ के जितने थिक नहीं होते हैं, बट कैसे होते हैं? हार्ड होते हैं एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर द shrubs. So examples of shrubs, there are rose, hibiscus, cotton, mehendi tree also, mehendi plants. This is the example of shrub also. Okay, and the many branches growing from close to the grounds. The main जो shrubs की qualities है वो क्या है? shrubs की जो stems हैं, they are divided into different branches which are growing from the close to the ground. ground से थोड़ी सी हाइट पे जाके क्या हो जाते हैं? different branches में divided हो जाते हैं. okay, so these are the qualities of shrubs. कैसे इनके? हार्ड, वुडी एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेम्स हैं एंड डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस. ओके, एंड दीज आर स्मॉलर देन ट्रीज. कैसे हैं ये? स्मॉलर देन ट्रीज इन साइज. द नेक्स्ट इज हर्ब. वेरी स्मॉल, ग्रीन एंड सॉफ्ट प्लांट आर कॉल्ड द हर्ब. कैसे होते हैं हर्ब? वेरी स्मॉल, ग्रीन and soft plant. They have soft stems. कैसे stems होते हैं इनके? soft and green stems. The most of herbs are the seasonal plants. जितने भी shrubs होते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ कैसे होते हैं, सीजनल प्लांट्स. दे लिव फॉर वन सीजन और फॉर अ फ्यू मंथ. ओके, so the examples of herb are coriander, mint, grass and most of water plants, the examples of herb. Okay, and आपकी जितनी भी क्रॉप्स होती हैं like your wheat, rice and all the pulses, these also are the examples of herb. Okay, so the next, climbers. Climbers क्या हैं? Climbers have the weak stems and cannot grow straight. Okay, कैसे होते हैं क्लाइंबर? क्लाइंबर के जो स्टम्स होते हैं दे आर वीक स्टम. ओके, एंड दे कैन नॉट ग्रो स्ट्रेट without the support of any other plants or any other stick or any other wall. They need support of a stick, wall and other plants to grow straight. Okay, कैसे होते हैं? क्लाइंबर्स मीन्स क्लाइंब करते हैं. ओके, दूसरे प्लांट्स के स्टिक्स और वॉल के सपोर्ट लेके देन दे क्लाइंब, देन दे ग्रो strong straight. Okay, so these are the examples of climber. Money plants, grapevine की जो बेल होती है grapes की, also the example of climber, and also pea plant and bean. Okay, these are the examples of climber. The next is creeper. Creeper is also like the climber, but the difference between climber and creeper क्या है difference? Creeper don't grow straight, okay, and don't climb to take any with the support of any other plant. ये क्या करते हैं? These plant grow along the ground. Ground में ही क्या करते हैं? grow करके और ground में ही creep करने लग जाते हैं, फैल जाते हैं चारों तरफ. Okay, so this is the difference between climber and creeper. Climber जो होती है बेल वो चढ़ती जाती हैं आगे तक, बट क्रीपर्स क्या होते हैं? ग्राउंड में ही ग्रो करके और फैल जाते हैं. ओके, द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ क्रीपर्स आर पम्पकिन. पम्पकिन की जो बेल है, पम्पकिन वाइन, वाटरमेलन, मस्क मेलन, कुकुम्बर ऑल्सो. ओके, बोटल गार्ड. These all are the examples of creepers. Okay, the next topic was long living and seasonal plants. I have already explained long living plants, the plants which live for many years, for 100 years. Okay, some plants live for 100 years like banyan tree, mehendi tree also, peepal tree. These are the plants which live for 100 years. So these plants are called the long living plants, and almost trees are the long living plants. And also some shrubs are also long living plants. Okay, but herb are not long living plant. Herb, climber, creeper are the seasonal plants. Seasonal plants means the plants which live only for few months or one season. Okay, जो क्या करते हैं? ओनली वन सीजन और फॉर फ्यू मंथ के लिए ही लाइव करते हैं, देन दे ड्राइड. ओके, सो दीज आर द सीजनल प्लांट्स. सो दिस वाज द चैप्टर फर्स्ट, टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स, एंड द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज useful plants. And in this chapter we have discussed that how the plants are useful for us. Okay, so plants are, as we know that plants are very useful for us. We live our life is totally depend on the plants. Okay, because every living things and human beings, animals, कोई भी living things है, क्या करते हैं? हम breathe करते हैं and we take in the oxygen, and oxygen we get from the plants. Okay, so there are so many precious things which we get from the plants. So and that's why plants are very useful for us. So on this chapter we will discuss what are the things which we get from the plants. So first topic was plants give us food. क्या है, plants हमें food देते हैं. Okay, and in this topic I have explained a story of tops and bottom, and through this story I have explained that how we use the different parts of plants as the food. Okay, हम क्या करते हैं, each part of plant is used as a food in our daily life. Okay, example like we eat some roots of plant, some plants root. Okay, हम क्या करते हैं, some plants की roots को as a food daily life में लेते हैं. So like turnip, radish, carrot, beetroot, there are so many plants which root we eat. Okay, so first thing which we eat, and the first part of the plant is root. Okay, and the second part of plant is stem. Okay, some plants of plant we use as food are the stem. हम क्या करते हैं, कुछ प्लांट्स के स्टम्स को भी हम एज अ फूड लेते हैं, लाइक sugar cane, okay, potato, onion, ginger. These are the some plants which stems, potato, onion and ginger are also the stem part of plant. ये क्या है, these are not roots. Okay, these are the stems part of plant. And turmeric is also the stem part of plant. Okay, sugar cane क्या होता है, sugar cane the overground part है plants का stem, but these are the underground stems. Okay, potato, onion, ginger, these are the underground stems. Okay, and we use these parts of plants as a food in our daily life. Okay, in the next topic we use some plants leaves also we use as a food in our daily life. So there are some cabbage, mint, spinach, coriander also. These are some plants which leaves we use as a food. Okay, in the other way we can say that there are some plants which fruits almost plant give us fruits. Okay, and we use the fruits as a food like mango, apple, banana. Okay, these are plants, papaya. जितने भी fruits हैं सारे हम क्या हैं, plants के fruit part को as a food लेते हैं. Okay, and vegetables are also the fruit part of plants. Okay, and in the other way we can say that some plants flower we also use as a food, like like cauliflower, broccoli are the plants which flower we eat. Okay, so these are the plants which root, stems, flower, fruit, okay, we use as a food. But the other plants are like wheat, rice, pulses. जितने भी pulses हैं आपके, grams, अरहर, beans also, pea. These are the plants which seeds we use as a food. Okay, इनके हम क्या करते हैं, seeds को use करते हैं as a food. Okay, and the plants like wheat, rice, maize, oat. Okay, these are the plants which seeds we use as a food are known as the cereals. इनको क्या कहते हैं, cereals. And the some other plants which seeds we use as a food like arhar, urad, rajma, okay, beans and pea. These are known as pulses. इनको क्या कहते हैं, pulses, दाल. Okay, so these are the plants which seeds we use as a food. And some other plants which seeds we use as a food are spices. स्पाइसेस क्या होते हैं? मसाले जिनको हम अपने फूड में ऐड करके और फूड को क्या बनाते हैं? टेस्टी बनाते हैं. सो दीज आर द ऑल्सो parts of plant. Some spices are stems, some spices are seeds, some are roots. Okay, so these parts of plants are different dried part. इनको हम क्या करते हैं? Dried करके then we use as a food. So plant give us also many types of spices. Spices is a dried root, seed, fruit and bark of some plants. Okay. So the some other examples of spices are cumin, cinnamon, okay, clove, fennel, black peppers, chili also, okay, turmeric, coriander also. So these are the plants which seeds, stems and flower we use as a spices. Okay, so these are the plants which give us food. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे प्लांट्स हैं जो कि हमें फूड्स जिनसे हमें फूड्स मिलता है. ओके, सो बट वी ऑल्सो गेट वुड फ्रॉम प्लांट. अदर क्या है प्लांट जो हमें देते हैं? मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज वुड. एंड वुड वी यूज फॉर मेकिंग द फर्नीचर्स. और चेयर, टेबल, बेड, सोफ़ा वगैरह जो भी आप बनाते हो किससे बनता है? वुड से. एंड वुड वी गेट फ्रॉम द प्लांट. एंड ऑल्सो वी यूज वुड एज अ fuel, okay, for burning, for cooking food. So this is the other use of plant. Also plant give us fibers. Fibers means fibers, रुई जिससे कि हम क्लॉथ बनाते हैं. Okay, so plants also give us fiber. These fiber are used for making the clothes. Okay, cotton plants give us cotton fiber, jute plants give us jute fiber and flax plant give us linen fiber. Okay, these are the plants which give us fiber. So the other use of plants is plants give us fiber. Okay, the next, plants give us rubber, gum and paper also. Okay, plants से हमें क्या है? rubber tree. From the rubber tree we get rubber. Gum we get from the kikar tree. And paper we get from the bamboo tree. Okay, so these are the plants from which we get rubber, gum and paper also. Okay, and bamboo plant is most important plant. Bamboo wood is also used for making houses, furnitures also. Okay, and paper तो है ही, paper तो bamboo plants are used for making the papers. The next use of plants is plants give us oil. Oil भी हमें क्या है? plant से मिलता है. The seeds of some plants are used for making the oil. Okay, कुछ plants हैं like sunflower, coconut, mustard seed, okay, and groundnut also. These are the plants which seeds, which fruits we use for making the oil. Okay, and oil is also used for making the soaps, shampoo, toothpaste. Okay, so do you think plants are very important for us? Okay, and the other use, plants give us perfumes. Perfume also we get from the plants. Perfume are made by the flowers. Some sweet smelling flowers of plant are used for making the perfume. So these are like rose, jasmine, lavender. These are some plants which flowers we use for making the perfume. Okay, next, plant give us medicine also. Some plants are very important for us because they give us also medicine. Like neem plant, नीम की जो leaves होती हैं वो भी we use as a medicine. tulsi leaves, tulsi is used to cure the cough and cold. And mint also, aloe vera. Okay, there are so many plants which leaves, which roots, which flower are used for making the medicine. So we can say that we also get medicine from the plants. Okay, plants give us tea, coffee and sugar also. Tea, we use tea plant. टी प्लांट्स की जो लीव्स हैं they are used for making the tea powder. Okay, and coffee are the plants also. Coffee seeds we use for making the coffee powder. Sugar is made from the sugarcane. Sugarcane is also a plant which stem are used for making the sugar. Okay, so these are the other things which we get from the plants: tea, coffee and sugar. Okay, so these are the usage of plant. The other usage of plants are also the shelter of many animals and birds. ओके, जितने भी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स होते हैं, बर्ड्स होते हैं, सबके शेल्टर, सबके होम कहाँ पे होते हैं? प्लांट्स के ऊपर. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ जो एनिमल्स होते हैं वो अपना होम, अपना जो सेट है कहाँ बनाते हैं? प्लांट्स पे. एंड बर्ड्स अपनी नेस्ट सारी कहाँ बनाती हैं? प्लांट्स पे ही. सो वी कैन से दैट ऑल्सो प्लांट्स आर द शेल्टर ऑफ एंड द होम ऑफ मैनी एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स. सो प्लांट्स मेक आवर सराउंडिंग ब्यूटीफुल एंड ग्रीन ऑल्सो. प्लांट्स क्या है? हमारे सराउंडिंग को कैसे बनाते हैं? ब्यूटीफुल एंड ग्रीन. एंड ऑल्सो प्लांट्स क्लीन एंड फ्रेश, मेक फ्रेश द एयर ऑल्सो. ओके, क्या करते हैं प्लांट्स हमारे सराउंडिंग में जितने भी पॉल्यूटेड एयर है उसको कैसे बनाते हैं? क्लीन एंड फ्रेश. सो दस वी कैन से दैट प्लांट्स आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर अस in many ways. So instead of cutting them, we should grow more and more plant. Okay, so these are the 2 chapters. So now I will discuss the exercise work. So children, in your unit 1, this is the worksheet based on chapter 1 and 2 revision worksheet. And in your unit 1 exam some question will be come in this form, unseen passage form. Okay, आपके इस टाइप का भी क्वेश्चन आएगा. There will be a paragraph will be written in the paper and you have to read the paragraph and answer the questions. Okay, आपको ओनली क्या करना है? पैराग्राफ को रीड करना है एंड उसके बाद क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को रीड करके उनके आंसर्स लिखने हैं फ्रॉम द पैराग्राफ. सो हेयर दिस इज द पैराग्राफ. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू रीड द पैराग्राफ देन आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर ट्रीज? सो ट्रीज you can choose the answer from here. Big and tall plants are called trees. Okay, इसी टाइप से और क्वेश्चन है what are shrubs? Shrubs क्या है? So there is shrubs are much smaller than trees. They have many branches. These branches grow close to the ground. Okay, आप यहाँ तक क्या कर सकते हैं? सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिख सकते हैं. Okay. So the other question is name any 2 shrubs. So you can read the answer here. Mehendi, cotton, rose are the examples of shrubs. So you can write here mehendi and rose. What are herbs? Also answer is written here. Herbs are very small plants. Okay, they have soft stems. आप यहाँ तक आंसर इसका लिख सकते हैं. Okay, name any 2 herbs. So 2 herbs are here spinach and rice. You can write here mint, spinach and rice. So you can write the answer. Okay, so this type का क्वेश्चन आपका पेपर में भी आएगा. So you have to read the passage and then answer the questions. The next question is take the correct answer. Which of the following plant give us paper? So answer is bamboo plants. Okay, next we use to make boat, cart and furniture. So furniture, so we use wood. So answer is wood. You can take the wood. Next, carrot and radish are the dash of the plant that we eat. So carrot and radish क्या है? Roots. So you will take the roots. Okay. So next, name the following. You have to write only answer here. Name any two trees in your surrounding. Okay. आपको क्या करना है? अपने सराउंडिंग में trees हैं, उनके एग्जाम्पल्स आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो. Okay. Name some animals that live on the trees. So name some animals like monkey. Okay. आप monkey लिख सकते हैं and squirrel also. Okay. So here you will write the name of animals those live on the trees. Name any two plants that need support to grow straight. That need to support means to say you have to write here name of two climbers. क्या लिखना है आपको यहाँ पे? Name of two climbers. Name any two plants which live for a few months means to say you have to write here two seasonal plants. आपको seasonal plants के name लिखने हैं. So you can write two examples of herb. बहुत सारे herbs हैं, crops हैं, wheat, rice, pulses, almost the pulses, vegetables also. These all are the seasonal plants. In the next question, name the following part of plant which we use as a food. So here the plant's name है and here you have to write the part of plant which we use as a food. So first mint. mint की क्या है? हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? leaves. carrot. carrot की क्या यूज़ करते हैं? roots. clove. clove के seeds. ginger. ginger is stump and cabbage. cabbage is leaves. Okay. coffee. coffee क्या है? seeds. So here you will write stump, leaves and seeds. Okay. So this is your revision worksheet. Thank you.